Add new employees to a position. Earlier, we had an option to hire an employee through the transaction, add new employee. Now those feature we can use position org chat as well. So based on the vacant position, we can go directly and we can create add new employee, and more information, it will be consistent and easier onboarding process will happen if we go in this new future. Next slide, please. Another feature is approval replacement logic. Now it's a person based. In workflow approval, we used to see a lot of information pertaining to the subject oriented. We are able to see the person oriented in the subject line. It will be helpful to identify the respective approval process in a workflow. Now date of birth validation is activated. We cannot give the today's or the future dates in the date of birth. As well as we are having option to business rules, adding it, saying that 18-year regular employment work or a student 16 years more than that, we can give a condition using the business rules. Further, the digital signature has enhanced the documentation template. So we are able to use signature C token and signature date. So this will help administrator to easily where each signer and their signature date should appear. This is especially useful for documents requiring in multiple signer. Also, now in the email notification for every document generation activity, a separate email notification will trigger with the digital signature in the day. So the next feature is in data migration. We used to import the job information details with job history tab. Nowadays with job information, which will give a more clear uh, understanding for the consultant to import the data. Going to next feature, tool. Now it has been enhanced to quick fix, available to automatically correct any inconsistency which we import with a various date to the job information. So this will identify the hire date and will proceed further for the further things. Next slide, please. Event and event resources is now a little enhanced based on the permission. Like a manager wants to do a transfer action or a promotion action. If we select and go through the employee portlet, will give the respective permission tabs only, so that this will reduces a lot of time and admins only see the relevant in event options that they are to edit and proceed further. Going to next feature. So in quick action, there is an enhancement, one-time payment, where manager is able to update the one-time payment directly and it will route to the screen to update the information on the payment scenarios. And for employee portlet, the phone number visibility is more enhanced now, so that we can clearly visible the employee number. It belongs to a mobile number, the office number, and so on. Next slide, please. In a dynamic role or workflow groups, the set of employees assigned to them to proceed for the further approval. We were unable to identify earlier with the story reports. Now, assign to field has been enabled, where we can track the necessary approval process on its status. Next slide, please. Mass data management supports job information. Earlier it was only for position imports. Now job information. It gives more space now to import the data on the data management system. Next slide, please. National ID information. So earlier we used to update only the national ID information with the field with the country specific information. We are able to update with the time validity period, so that we can update multiple nationality information if they are for the employee. Next slide, please. Background import removed because it was causing a lot of overwriting existing data on the import. So this is avoid a lot of overwriting data. So this feature will help us to proceed smoothly on the data migration activity. So these are the new features. Update release belongs to Employee Central Core on 1H 2025.